Hello students, welcome back to our grammar class. Today we're going to learn about a very important topic in English, articles. Yes, those little words an, and the. They may look small, but they are powerful tools for making sentences clear and correct. So let's dive right in. What are articles? Articles are determiners. They are used before nouns to point them out. We have two main types of articles. Indefinite articles, an. Definite article, the. First, let's talk about indefinite articles, and an. We use and an before common singular nouns. They refer to something general, not specific. Rule 1. Using a. We use a before words that begin with a consonant sound. Examples: a pen, a dog, a box. Rule 2. Using an. We use an before words that begin with a vowel sound. Examples: an apple, an orange, an umbrella. Rule 3. Vowel letters with consonant sound. Sometimes a vowel doesn't sound like a vowel. Example: a university, a user. Here the sound is U, not a vowel sound. Rule 4. Consonant letters with vowel sound. Sometimes a consonant is silent and begins with a vowel sound. Examples: an hour, an honor, an honest man. Rule 5. Abbreviations. We also use an with abbreviations that begin with a vowel sound. Examples: an LPG cylinder, an MA degree, an MLA. Alright children, now that we've learned about a and an, let's play a little game and practice it with fun sentences. Pause, think, and choose the correct one. Great job thinking, children. Check the correct answers for each sentence. Awesome work, everyone. Now let's learn about the definite article, the. We use the when we talk about a particular person, place, or thing. Rule 1. Specific reference. Example: the book that you gave me was very interesting. Rule 2. Unique things. Examples: the sun, the moon, the earth, the world. Rule 3. In context. Example: there is a baby in the party. The baby is crying. Rule 4. Geographical names. Examples: the Ganges, the Sahara, the Mediterranean. Rule 5. Ordinals. We use the before ordinals. The first, the second, the third. Now that you know how the works, let's see when we don't have to use it. We don't use articles before proper nouns. Example: New Delhi is the capital city of India. New Delhi is a proper noun, so we don't use an article before it. We omit articles before names of materials. Example: the chair is made of steel. Steel is a material, so we don't use an article before it. We omit articles before abstract nouns used generally. Example: honesty is the best policy. Honesty is an abstract noun used generally, so no article is needed. No article before academic subjects. Example: physics is difficult. No article before languages, games, meals, diseases, seasons, days of the week. Examples: Japanese, badminton, etc. Japanese is a language, so we don't use an article before it. Alright children, it's game time. Now let's practice articles. Fill in the blanks with the correct article. Pause and think before answering. Fantastic job, children. Let's see the answers. Remember, articles may be short words, but they are essential for correct English grammar. Awesome job today, everyone. Keep practicing these exercises and rules, and you will become masters of articles in no time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun grammar lessons. See you in the next class. Bye.